Gentlemen, welcome back to Friggin 101. In our previous video, we failed to troubleshoot this here classy lassie from a bygone age, dubbed since and henceforth Ethel, unless something better comes along. So we figured out, or we think we figured out, that the brakes weren't working. They were dragging, and that's why the thing would not go in reverse. I had forgotten my contractual obligation as the dude who's, no, I know a dude. The contractual obligations dictate that I have to, at the very least, exhaust every single possibility until the beer is gone. This has all the bearing of a mechanical braking system, and being as how this was, well, of unknown provenance, whether it's been outside or not, it's certainly been repainted, and as we see by the flaky paint, has been bled at some point, so redone at some point. We see there's a turnbuckle here, left-hand thread and right-hand thread. That means that's a mechanical adjustment. When we loosen off these jam nuts, turn this, we might be able to back this brake right off. But what I want to do first is just give her a tweak, see if we can get her moving. Nothing moving on this side, but on the far side, that's kind of tweaking a little bit. This looks like a good job for our old friend. Tappy tap tap. Seems to me they're turning. Yeah, it's just pushing back on its own. Those are turning for sure. Okay, brake, not the issue. We're back to electrical. Son of a diddle. Holy old fuck, boys, I sure am glad you already know I'm an idiot. That crow gets you right in the throat. Remember what I said about taking covers off? Look at this. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. No wonder I was bridging 12 volts and 24. I wasn't even on the right fucking connections. Fucking brain dead motherfucker. Yeah, so that's that. And I see, if not the problem, a definite problem. The battery is too small for the compartment. She'd come off in transport and happens to be resting on the back wheels. Behold an ungodly hunk of lead. Holy old fuck, how we gonna get her up, boys? I got me a few ideas. It's a good thing you know how to smile like a donut. I'm dead reckoning this thing at 2,500 pounds, slightly more than the 3-ton keep-toe chain hoist can handle, well, nominally. And of course, always a bad idea around batteries, chain. Hearken in the knowledge, rather. When she goes south, she's gonna go south in a hurry in a big puff of smoke. Why in the fuck anyone would keep this thing around? I have no idea, but that's what we got. Well, I'm pissing into a wildfire best I can with the cock I got. 3 cars here. I did change it over to the nylon webbing on account of just, one more thing, eh? If she comes down, then it's not gonna catch fire at least. With the chain, it shorts out, you get yourself in a hell of a pickle. You're on the train and you hear the conductor asking for tickets please. You look up at it's the Grim Reaper, old Scratch at the controls. You gotta get off at the next station. Don't keep going. So this is the best I got. You will have a look out for the shifter. Let me know if he's coming, and then avenge my death. Just having a look here, make sure nothing's creaking and groaning. The good thing about steel is it normally gives before it breaks. Or at least you can sort of get a handle on what's going to kill you. Is she coming up? Pretty fucking heavy. We're getting her up. Yeah, coming. Almost there. And this last fucking works. Come on, you motherfucker. Okay, I think we're there. Nothing like a lead weight full of acid. Wait, you have to go. Where are you motherfucker? Oh, what is that fucking noise? Well, ain't that about a frig. Camera died. I don't know how much of that you caught, but you just barely missed a red hot application of cursing. So, we got the old ensign expander, no, what's his name? Lieutenant Commander Zuckerberg there in the driver's seat. We're gonna give her a try. Put her in reverse. Charge the battery pack, come on! Fucking same shit. Different pile. Son of a diddly. Well, the good thing is about eating humble pie, it's thirsty. Thirsty work. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.